Hello, and welcome to Learning with Michael. I'm Michael, and in this podcast, we explore ways to improve and grow. Today, we'll talk about confidence, why it matters, and how you can build it step by step. At the end, I'll also share some useful English words and phrases to help you expand your vocabulary. Let's begin. Confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities. It helps you try new things, express your ideas, and face challenges. But confidence isn't something you are born with. It's something you can develop. The good news is that small actions can help you become more confident over time. First, change how you talk to yourself. Many people think, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll fail." Instead, try saying, "I can learn this," or "I will do my best." Positive thoughts make a big difference in how you feel and act. For example, if you have to give a presentation and feel nervous, remind yourself that you have prepared and can do it. Every time you speak positively to yourself, your confidence grows a little more. Another important step is practice. Confidence grows when you do things, even if they feel difficult at first. If you're shy about speaking in front of others, start small. Talk to one new person a day or share your thoughts in a group. Every small step helps you feel more comfortable. Over time, these small actions add up, and you'll find that speaking up becomes easier. Your body language also affects confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These simple actions can make you feel more confident and help others see you as self-assured. When you stand tall and look people in the eyes, you not only appear confident, but you also feel more confident inside. This can help you perform better in both social and professional situations. Surround yourself with supportive people. Spend time with those who encourage you and believe in you. If you don't have such people around, find inspiration from books, podcasts, or online communities that share positive messages. Positive environments help you stay motivated and remind you of your worth. Seek out those who support your growth and avoid those who bring negativity. It's also important to accept mistakes. Everyone fails sometimes, but mistakes are part of learning. Instead of feeling bad, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Each mistake is a step toward improvement. For example, if you try a new skill and make mistakes, think about how you can do better next time. Mistakes are valuable because they teach you what works and what doesn't. Now let's review some useful words. Confidence means believing in yourself. Example: speaking in public with confidence takes practice. Positive means thinking in a good way. Example: a positive attitude helps you stay motivated. Practice means doing something regularly to get better. Example: with practice, speaking English becomes easier. Encourage means to give support or motivation. Example: good friends encourage each other to do their best. Try using these words in your daily conversations. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about taking small steps every day. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try new things. Confidence grows with time and effort, so keep pushing forward and celebrating each small success. Thank you for listening to Learning with Michael. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who might find it helpful. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you next